everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go through my Stray Kids binder. I moved things around. They have a new comeback coming out. I believe November 21st. A lot of people are mad about it. I'm not. I mean, the timing is a little whatever, but let's be honest, they're quick with everything they do. Because they had the encore show and then the encore merch, and then literally 5 minutes after their concert, it was, hey, we have a new album and it goes on sale at midnight. I have a lot of stuff coming from like the fan shop, from K-Place. I bought the Lino magazine. I got cover or version A. It was gonna be $60 if I wanted all three. I just did the one that I liked the most. So I have that coming, and then I bought my sister Chan's jacket, which that was very expensive, but she wanted it and she didn't get it last year, or I think it was Hyunjin's jacket last year. I don't know. One of them she didn't get, so I was like, okay, I'll be nice. That is her Christmas for this year, next year, and her next two birthdays probably. But yeah, there's just so many things that I ordered that are coming, and then like I said, the new comeback, which I'm very excited for. It's a mini album, so there's not that many songs, but there's like 13 different versions of photo cards. That's insane. Anyway, this is my big binder. I have it separated by member, and then I go into like the Karma era, because that's when I started. K-pop was around Karma, actually right before Karma. So I have Hyunjin, I have Han and Lino in their own binder because I'm currently making a Minsung binder. They're my top two, and I thought it'd be really cute. Here's Felix. I actually just got these. This, is this the music? No. Maybe I didn't just get that. I thought I just got a Felix card, but maybe it's not this one. It's not the. Oh, I think I did just get this one. I did just buy this. And this is probably my favorite Felix card right now. It's so cute. Then I have Chan. I was just trying to make my own little dividers, and then I gave up. Here's all of Chan. This is the Barnes & Noble exclusive. I didn't collect any other Barnes & Noble exclusive. I didn't want them. I pulled him out of one album. It just got too crazy. The albums are very expensive. I only have like 4 Binny. Here's Seungmin. Wait. Okay, so I just got this one, and this one because I bought the Hop and I had the Apple Music Pobs. So those are the Apple Music Pobs. And then I have all my unit cards, which I believe some are... They're not official. Some of these are not official. I can't think of the word right now. And then I went and I actually purchased all of the accident cards on Mercari. I unboxed them. And then I went and I moved, like, I have it on this side, and then I moved it to, like, this side. I just thought that was a lot. It was easier, save space in my binder. I took out, like, 13 of these dividers. I was like, wow. I finally have every single Polaroid for the Rockstar. I really like these. These are really cute. But I finally have all of them for Rockstar. These I kept in here. This is the 8 version. I am on the hunt for these lip cards. People might think it's ridiculous, but I think they're so funny. So I need Binny and Han. And Han is like my main bias. But I don't know. Lino might be taking that spot. I got so excited over Lino's merch that I bought Lino's merch over Han's. So I'm thinking Lino is actually my bias. And then I have Hop. Also, I was using these sleeves. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these for the next one. They have like lines on them. But I need to buy more. I ran out. Because like some of them I don't have. Oh, I recently bought this one. This is the Felix from Hop. I love Felix so much. He's my niece's bias, so she's like 9 years old, but that's her bias, and I say something about Felix, and she goes like crazy. Like, I can't say I like his voice. She will go insane. Here's Han. I wish these ones had the back. I wish they all did, to be honest. They're kind of cool. I'm missing only a few for the black and white photo. Sorry about the glare. It's just my light. More hop. And then you go into Karma. I took all of the inclusions out. The papers were like, or the dividers were like way too long and they were curling at the bottom. So I took them out. I put them in a different binder. Still not an A4 binder. It's just those are really expensive. I saw they were like $40 for one binder. And right now that's just not feasible. I also bought like an 8-pack. Was it 8-pack? Yeah, an 8-pack of 1-inch binders. They were on clearance for $10 at Walmart. So I bought them. So I'm using those. So for Karma and like Maxident, 8 Hop, I have all of the members in here. But if it's like miscellaneous cards, that's when I'm gonna do like a separate binder for Han and Lino. So I am still missing some for Karma, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna focus on the new one. I'm not gonna do OTA as of right now. This is everything. OTA is just really hard and very expensive. I think instead of buying, trading is gonna be the way to go for me. So I also have extra of these dividers that I need to figure out. There's gonna be 13 different inclusion or 13 different things. I'm gonna have to print more. Here is my Minsung binder. It's so sad right now. Yeah, again, I was trying to do my own thing. So some of these aren't official cards, but some of them are, but they're just kind of like these two are from Maxident, but I don't have like all the others, so I was like, okay, I'll just keep it with the member. And then it's like bleeding onto another page. And then I have Lino, and I don't really have much of Lino. And then here are my signed ones of Lino and Han. I had to buy Lino. Han I pulled. He was the first one. I opened up, I'm telling you, I opened that album up and I screamed. I was so freaking excited. So hopefully, I did buy a signed for the new ones. I bought 2. I did see on Threads, people are mad the others bought 4. But like, it's their money, I guess. That's the way I see it. If they get duplicates, I'm sure they'll sell them. But I mean, they sold out in like 10 minutes, which is kind of crazy. Because the last one, I feel like I was put in a queue, but my sister said that she wasn't last time. And she was this time. And I'm like, I was in a queue line last time. And then this is just my inclusions binder. I decided to just keep it all separate. I have Binny's signature. I just put him in here. So like I have like the Karma inclusions. I'm still missing Binny. And then I have all of these. So then here is where I will start the Do It album. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!